We operate a large private sector refinery in India with multiple fired heaters critical to platforming and hydrotreating. Over time, fuel consumption was increasing, heat transfer was becoming less predictable, and we needed to improve performance without disrupting production. Our fired heaters were experiencing refractory damage, tube oxidation, and carburization, along with uneven heat transfer across the radiant section. We wanted to address these issues while avoiding extended unit shutdowns. We worked with IGS in phases, starting with online refractory repairs to eliminate hotspots in the heaters while they remained in operation. During later turnarounds, high-emissivity ceramic coatings were applied to tubes and refractory surfaces to improve heat transfer and reduce further degradation. Together, these steps gave better control over heater performance without impacting throughput. After this work, fuel use dropped by close to 10%, along with clear improvements in radiant efficiency and emissions.
By combining online repairs with ceramic coating technology, IGS and this large refinery in India achieved meaningful efficiency gains without disrupting production. Fuel use dropped, heat transfer improved, and fired heater performance became more stable and predictable over time.